On today's episode of Silly Science with Simon, we're going to be turning this into this, into this, into this. Are you ready? Then let's get science. To do these experiments at home, you will need some eggs, vinegar, water, sugar, food colouring, and some cups.
The first thing we're going to do is make the eggshell disappear. Simply add the egg to a cup of vinegar.
It takes about 24 hours for the eggshell to fully disappear, so you might want to do something else whilst you wait, like baking a cake or doing a puzzle. Ow. After 12 hours, take the egg out of the cup and rinse it under cold water. Add it to a fresh cup of vinegar and leave it for another 12 hours. Here's what's happening. An eggshell is mostly made of calcium carbonate, which reacts with acids like vinegar, a mixture of acetic acid and water. This reaction forms calcium acetate and a gas called carbon dioxide. The calcium acetate dissolves in the water and the carbon dioxide bubbles to the surface.
So the solid shell disappears.
Here's one that I started yesterday, and we can see that the shell has completely disappeared. The really surprising thing is that the rest of the egg is still held together, even without the shell. That's because underneath the shell, there's a layer known as a membrane, which surrounds the whole egg. It's a lot more flexible than the shell, so we get a bouncier egg. Check this out. The coolest thing about this membrane is that it allows some chemicals, but not all chemicals, in and out of the egg. One of the chemicals that it lets through is water, and one of the chemicals it doesn't let through is sugar. I'm going to add some water to this cup and half a cup of sugar with half a cup of water to this other cup. I'm then going to add an egg to each cup and come back in one day. Water moves across membranes to go to whichever side has the most chemicals dissolved in it. This process is called osmosis. The sugar water has more chemicals dissolved in it than the egg, so water moves into the sugar water and the egg gets smaller. The egg has more chemicals dissolved in it than the water, so water moves into the egg and the egg gets bigger. To make it easier to see the water moving into the egg, add 3 drops of food colouring to the water before adding the egg.
I'm even going to add the ink from a highlighter pen to this one. Because they've taken in a lot of water, they're now under a heap of pressure, and popping them is going to cause that water to squirt out. I've saved this one to put under a UV light. Check this out.
Thank you for watching this episode of Silly Science with Simon. If you have some eggs in the fridge, you can try making a cake, or you can have some fun with science instead. Let me know how you go, and I'll see you again in 2 weeks.